Couple things when we do this dish is that we're going to use shrimp. When you saute them, you do not want the shrimp to flame. And I'm going to flip them very carefully, again, not moving the pan to create a flame. Another important part of this dish is the chili flake to make it spicy. And what happens is most people they'll put the chili flake on top or at the end. To keep the heat evenly in the dish, we want to add the chili flake in the oil. Okay, and then we're going to plate it up. Garnish it with parsley at the very end. Shrimp Fra Diavolo, there you have it. Again, the most important things when we made this dish was to make sure you sear the shrimp, adding them one at a time into the hot oil. Secondly, we added the chili flake to the oil with the garlic and the shrimp to permeate it, to give it an even heat. This is Chef Phil. See you next time.